Saturday, about 5:30. We had a fairly good market considering the Neptune festival was going on, and there was a big threat of rain, but it never materialized till about 2 hours ago. But it was a tow floater. It's dropped off a little bit right now as I head home. We did, like I said, but we had a much better market than I expected we would have. Stand by, I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, let's return with a vengeance now. Toad floater rain. It's putting it down. We missed a ripper. We didn't even have a half a ripper. We missed a half a ripper by 3 knives, I think. That happens from time to time. You know, if you watch any of the East Coast weather stuff, you know we got 2 storms inbound. Roberto, or whatever it is coming in and going to move off the coast. And then Mari, or whatever her name is, she's coming in and she's going to hit the wall of that hurricane, or not hurricane, I guess it's a hurricane, whatever. And stall off of South Carolina, North Carolina. At least that's the last report I got. That's bad because when they stall like that, they do a lot of damage. They don't have to be super strong. They just force a lot of wind and a lot of rain and a lot of surf onto the beach. That could be a bad storm if it's anywhere near where they think it might happen. I don't know. We have to see how that goes too. I'll get back to you. As I sit in the recliner watching the news, it's 8 o'clock. This might be the best of it today from Holy Rollers Bakery, where we got the pound cake last week. What is it, a chocolate chip cookie?
It's a special cookie.
A special cookie, Chris said. Firecrackers and the grasshopper. I'm thinking about it. It's a big cookie, ain't it?